Engine 330cc Enhanced Smart Power Plus ESP Plus engine. Features: upside-down front suspension, dual-channel ABS braking system, and HSDC Honda selectable torque control. Spacious storage space that can accommodate to full-face helmets, USB port, smart key system. 5-inch TFT display with Honda RoadSync support, allowing smartphone connection and control via handlebar buttons. Color options: Pearl Night Star Black, Matte Ruthenium Silver Metallic, Hyper Red, Matte Coal Black Metallic. New pricing: UK, approximately £5,899.